Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install additional or custom watch faces on your Apple Watch Series 11. You can see right here I have the Apple Watch 11 series and it has a custom wallpaper, custom watch face. And if you like to do that, if you'd like a custom one, then you can easily set it by downloading a special app for it. And now you can just simply go to the App Store and search for like Apple Watch faces. I've actually selected this app. It's not like I prefer it over other ones because I don't really know other ones. I just selected the first one, honestly. You can see there's lots of them. They have different opinions and stuff like that. This one has 400 ratings and it's at 4.6, so it's great. Now we can go to the app. And now if I want to set a custom watch face, I can just select whichever one I'd like. You can see some are like live wallpapers. I think I'll try setting maybe one of them. Maybe this one. Let's see. It requires to turn off always on. So I'll unfortunately. Yeah, let's do it. Let's install the watch face. Now it's loading ads. I had to mute the phone. Okay. There are ads now, so you need to just watch 2 ads. So you get it for free. And shortly it'll be applied. So I'm gonna get back to when ads are finished. Okay, and now as you can see, the reward is granted, so I can click on OK. Now let's add to my faces, and I'll be able to set it, but first it also requires me to turn off the always on display, so I'm just gonna go to that, then always on. I'm gonna disable it. Now let's see if it works. Not all faces will work, but actually this one works. I'm quite surprised that it works. It just plays for 3 seconds, but it works, so that's great. And I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.